In our last video, we learned how to create a virtual classroom using the big blue button. In this video, we are going to see how to join that virtual classroom as a lecturer and how to do presentations or to add more presentations. So the link to that virtual class is here. So you click on that link and it will open this window for you where you'll be prompted that the conference room is ready. You can join the session. So you click on join session. Once you click on join session, it opens this window for you, um, which is now the big blue button platform. And you'll be prompted to test your microphone. So you click on that microphone. Once you confirm that the echo test is okay,
You are now
be
muted. You are
prompted
the only
to
person in this conference.
accept that. Then once you accept that, you will note this window here now. The presentation that we uploaded is already here. So to continue presenting, you use your mouse and click on next slide, and the system or the big blue button platform will load all those slides and you'll be able to make your presentation. On this part here, you have a public chat and you will be able to type your message here, and the students will also be able to respond to those messages. So that is the public chat section. Then on this part here, you will be able to see the students who are there. And if you click on any of those students, you will be able to mute them, you'll be able to make them presenters, all those class management activities. Then once you are in the portal, ensure that you have unmuted your mic, because by default everybody is muted, so you ensure that you have unmuted your mic. That is the first thing you do once you get into the virtual classroom.
You are now
Then
unmuted.
you will note here that the recording has already started. If you want to pause it, you can pause it. To add a presentation, let's say for instance, you have already made the entire presentation on this. So you click on this plus sign here. So once you are there, you click on upload a presentation. You'll be prompted to search on your machine for the other presentation you want to make. So let's say this is the presentation I want to make. Then once you have double clicked on it and it is displayed here, you click on upload. Once you upload, the file is being converted. So we give it time. The file is now uploaded, converted and uploaded on the big blue button. So you have been able to add the second presentation. So that's how you get into the class and how you add your presentations.